Hey everyone, Sam Battersby from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our Headlight Restoration Kit. In just 2 simple steps, our Headlight Restoration Kit removes the unsightly yellowing and cloudy haze that can appear on aged and neglected plastic headlight lenses. Unlike many other headlight refurbishing products, our restoration process includes spraying on a new coat of UV protectant. The kit consists of a sanding pad, alcohol wipes, an aerosol can of headlight restoration coating, and lint-free towels. No tools or special skills are needed. The process will require about 15 minutes of direct sunlight to cure the UV coating, so be sure to check the weather before you start. We also recommend using masking paper or plastic and blue painter's tape or our professional masking tape to mask off any adjacent body panels. This will guard against errant sanding or overspray. Our disposable car covers also work great for this step. Simply cut out some holes for the headlights and tape them off. First, you're going to want to clean the lens to remove any wax residue buildup or road grime. Then, use the sanding pad to remove all that crusty oxidation. Be sure to sand away any remaining factory UV coating and use just enough pressure to produce an even uniform surface that has a frosty look to it, similar to this here. Wipe the headlight lens down with one of the alcohol wipes and check the surface to ensure there's no failed coating residue still present. This step will prep the surface to better accept the new UV coating. The spray-on coating is self-leveling and will restore all clarity to your lens. Like any aerosol, shake the can for at least 30 seconds, hold it 3 to 4 inches from the lens, and spray across the headlight horizontally, working from the bottom up until a full wet coat has been applied. Be careful not to apply too much and cause unsightly runs. Immediately check the surface. It should have a nice, smooth, glossy look to it. If you come across what looks like rough patches, respray the area to ensure full coverage. Once both headlights are treated, move the vehicle to direct sunlight or use an appropriate UV lamp to cure the protectant. Our Headlight Restoration Kit improves headlight brightness by up to 142% and is designed to protect for up to 2 years. After curing, we recommend waiting approximately 24 hours before washing your car, but after that, feel free to maintain your headlights as normal. Adding a coat of our liquid gloss polywax will give the lens a little added protection and prolong the life of the UV coating. Thank you for watching. For more information on our Headlight Restoration Kit, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.